My name is Travis. I'm the CNC Supervisor here at Accurate Metal Stamping. I program and also run the machines, as well as supervise the guys here in machining parts. So this is our HAAS ST30Y. It's a CNC turning center. It produces round or cylindrical parts, very high accuracy. This is our HAAS VF3. It's a vertical machining center. It machines or produces parts at very high accuracy. This is our HAAS VF2. It's very similar to our VF3 in producing highly accurate machine parts. This is our vertical knee mill. It countersinks and drills parts. These are some of the machining parts that we've made here. This is a railroad clamp used by the railroad industry. These are some escalator parts. We've also done some heavy equipment machinery that require very accurate and high tolerance precision.